As young students, we studied the way of peace. We studied the philosophy and the discipline of nonviolence. Dr. King put it another way. He told us over and over again, he told us that hate is too heavy a burden to bear. Never hate. Never lose the sense of hope. When you see something that is not right, not fair, not just, you have a moral obligation to say something, to do something, to stand up. So I said to you as young people and students, stand up, speak up, be brave, be courageous, be bold, and help create what we call the beloved community. So go out there and do what you must do.